Certifications and Qualifications, Enhancing Your Government Contracting Opportunities. Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of certifications and qualifications for government contracting. We'll guide you through obtaining essential certifications like MBE and DBE. These can significantly boost your chances of winning government contracts. So, what do certifications like MBE and DBE bring to the table in government contracting? They promote diversity and inclusion. They also enhance your business's credibility and competitiveness. Let's start with MBE certification. It's crucial for minority-owned businesses. We'll provide a step-by-step guide to obtaining MBE certification. Next, we'll discuss DBE certification. It's highly relevant in government contracting. We'll walk you through the process of obtaining DBE certification. Are there other certifications that can enhance your government contracting prospects? Yes, there are. Certifications like 8A, HubZone, and WOSB may be relevant to specific contracts. We'll explain their significance and how to obtain them. Now let's talk about navigating the certification process. We'll provide detailed guidance on gathering required documentation, completing applications, and meeting eligibility criteria. We'll also offer tips for a smooth certification process. Certifications and qualifications are your keys to unlocking a world of government contracting opportunities. The process may seem complex, but with the right guidance and determination, your business can thrive in the government marketplace. We invite you to share your experiences or questions about certifications in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and government contracting.